In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get the Air Sprite in Fortnite. This is Aiden from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, just start a battle royale or zero build match, and in order to get this one, you really just need to search chests, Sprite chests, and other Sprite loot sources around the island. There's nothing really in specific that you need to go ahead and do in order to get the Air Sprite. Now, you can use a Sprite locator if you do have one to locate a nearby buried Sprite chest, but essentially the Air Sprite is pretty rare, so you just need to keep looting until you find them, just in the normal way. You can follow what is considered to be the best route, which is Chop Shop, Battle Woods, Lat Landing, and Wonky Land. If you just follow either way, it doesn't really matter. Either from Chop Shop to Wonky Land or Wonky Land to Chop Shop. But keep looting all of the, other Sprite loot sources. And then from here, you could take it to any extraction zone around the map, or you could use a portable extractor. And then, of course, once you do have it, it'll be equipped and it'll allow you to sprint faster, jump higher while sprinting, and completely remove fall damage, which is helpful. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.